Hi, my name is Nirav, and I'm one of the faculty who teaches Intermediate Econometrics 1, Econ 222222. Anyways, so it's the first probability and stats course in our econometrics sequence, and the basic idea in econometrics is that we need some tools to figure out how to make decisions in an uncertain world, right? So there are lots of things in life where you don't really want to treat them as being known for sure, like whether you're waiting for the bus. You want to see whether you should wait longer for the bus, or maybe you should just bail and take an Uber, for example. So in this class, we start out with the really basic building blocks of probability, basically how to model events where we don't really know what's going to happen for sure. Okay, so the random variables, and then we use those basic building blocks to work up um, to a theory of statistics, basically how to take data and then use our probability model of the world to actually make decisions, to make inferences about things that are sort of unknowable. Is that bus going to come? Okay. Um, so one way to think about is what we're doing. Banana. See, you didn't expect me to say banana. So one thing that you're gonna be able to do is figure out some random model of the world, right? How do you sort of predict the next thing that's going to happen? You don't know for sure, right? But we'll have the tools to help get into ideas that are some of the underpinnings of things like machine learning or data mining or AI, all kinds of things, and also more your grandparents' linear regression models. So that's sort of the first part of this course, and now I'll hand it to Roy. He's right
Hi,
here.
so I'm Roy Allen. I teach the second semester version of this class. So I build on Nirav's class. This is 2223. In this class, we study things like cause and effect. So a simple example would be we see empirically people in hospitals tend to be more sick than people who aren't in hospitals. And a basic question is, what's going on here? Does going to the hospital cause you to become sick? Or does being sick actually cause you to go to the hospital? So, a lot of people have intuitive models for things like this. Like, I personally feel that for me, I get sick and then I go to the hospital. So, actually, getting sick causes me to go to the hospital. This class takes this concept to data. So, another example would be university students, empirically, we see they tend to make more money than people who don't go to university. Why is that? Does going to the university actually cause them to make more money? Or if they dropped out of university, would they have made the same amount? So a lot of economic theories point in one direction or the other. So a standard theory in economics would say, get more schooling, you're going to make more money. This class builds foundational tools that allow us to answer that sort of question.
Take our classes.